Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you the tools you need to trade. This is a technical step-by-step lesson. The goal is here to make it so you trade effortlessly. There are tools we need when we trade because we need to have a place that to read the charts, which is TradingView. There are other charts platforms, but TradingView is the one I've been using for so long, so that's one I recommend to you. So you need to have a place where you can read the chart. You will also have a place where you can execute from the broker. So you read what you see in the chart and the symbol. What is gold doing right now? And if I want to enter the trade, I need to enter it through the broker which is connected to the market. All right? So we need a place to read the chart and we need a broker that's connected to the market where we enter and exit trades. And lastly is your trade workplace setup. Your trading workplace setup is just like your table or your computer desks and your keyboards and stuff like that in trading. So it shouldn't become something that's you're getting stuck somewhere or you're thinking about the risk. I'm gonna give you all the things and all the templates and everything you need to have it as effortless as possible. So let's just focus on step number one right here. Why do we need these things? Think about it like a mechanic. A mechanic, to be able to know how to fix the car and to be able to fix the car, period, the mechanic need to have his tools to be able to fix the car. He needs to have a wrench, a hammer, the oil, I don't know, to be able to fix the car. And this is what we need as traders. We need a place to read the chart and we need a broker to place our trades. And we need also some templates and settings that I will show you and share with you so you don't need to have to think about it. And this took me a while to figure out, by the way. But I'm going to share it with you so you can start trading as quickly as possible without thinking about it. So the first trading platform that I want to show you is TradingView. So TradingView, they have different subscription levels. So the one I'm using is called Essential, right? So setting and billing, I don't know, where do we go? The products, pricing. Let's go to pricing. You need the essential to be able to read the market. You don't need all the other things. And I'm gonna show you why. So 12, let's say 13 pounds or 13 euros. What is it? A month? It's not much. I'm all about investing money into your education. That's important, and that's important that you do it as well. Why? Because the other day I went for dinner, or I went shopping. I went to buy some groceries, and my son the other day said, but Daddy, I want this car." Right? He wanted the car next to the candy, and they put the cars down next to the candy, and he said, "I want the car." There's a car with the candy inside of it. That car and candy cost 15 bucks. One toy, and he has a million of them. Do you see what I mean? So investing and doing and paying this, sorry, paying this amount every single month to get you to the like a dreamy level in trading. Invest money into this. Like I get so annoyed. I had one friend who yeah, I want to learn trading. I want to learn this thing. I said to him, okay, you know what? Do this, and do this. I showed him all the steps, and I follow up after a while, and I checked. How's it going with you? He didn't even sign up. He said 13 bucks. 13 bucks is a lot. I said okay. Then okay, it's a lot. If 13 bucks is a lot, how would you expect to make more money? You have to be able to invest in your ability. I put a link down below. And this is, let me be transparent with you. This is an affiliate link. I get a small commission from that affiliate link, but it doesn't affect you at all. It just supports the community, it supports the channel, it supports what I'm doing. So the money I'm getting from the affiliate, I'm reinvesting it into prizes to the community, into building the community, into hiring developers and hiring people so we can grow even more. That's why I put the affiliate link. All right, so when you get TradingView, it will look like this. Let me just open up a chart. it will look like this. So when you have the free version of TradingView, you have maybe 1 hour and 1 day only. We need to have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, and 1 hour. We need to have these because these are essential for our trading. Because this is how we trade. And here in TradingView, this is what it looks like. You can change the color of it, you can change the settings of it, you can put drawings on it, and this is where we do our technical analysis. All right. So after you've downloaded the TradingView and you logged in, feel free to play around with it. Feel free to play around with it, get familiar with the platform, and draw, watch the chart, see what it does. And if you want to search for something, just search. Let's say gold. I want to search for gold. What is gold doing right now in wartime? So you're searching for gold, you're seeing what the gold is doing. And you're seeing what the gold is doing on a 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15. You can just choose a time frame of your choice. All right, so just play around with it and give it a try, and I hope to see you in another video. And before you leave, don't forget to follow me on YouTube or follow me on Instagram, and if you haven't done it already, join the school community. See you on the next video.